Hello everybody, my name is Trần Minh Thu. I was born on 15th of December 1990. I study at Foreign Trade University and my major is Business Administration. I come from class A2. Today, I want to tell you about an interesting topic and I think it is very useful, especially for people who want to build up their own company. That is important condition to start a new business. After graduation, many students prefer to get up their own business rather than working under someone else's company. It has been reported that nearly 600,000 new small businesses open every year. Some of them are successful as they want, while others are failed and lose their savings. So, what should you do to avoid the risk? I have 3 basic advice for you. There are choosing the field business, seeking for capital and human resources, and having suitable policy. My presentation will last about 10 minutes. If you need further information, please contact me at my telephone number 09776233376. Now, it's time to look on the detail. I want to start my presentation by the first condition. It is to choose the field of business. The field of business is diverse and cover many industries. With so many options, you will be able to customize a business strategy to the target market. Too many small business fail trying to be everything to everybody. Maybe your idea has potential in multiple markets, but start with one target with the greatest need. You must make a detailed plan about your business idea. A business idea plan is an essential roadmap for business success. For any startup, a business plan allows you to get a better understanding of your industry structure. If your business idea or opportunity is not competitive, just forget it because it will never stand a chance. Except your business is the first of its kind, there is bound to be competition. There can be the current or potential competitors. You have to determine and investigate them. The competition section can be the most difficult section to compete when writing a business plan.